do it. Your reptile father, Mr. T, not doing it. And Dave Mbada mentioned Goatee in this. This Goatee not coming as a conversation and none at all. Because Uno don't come out come tell you say Goatee is a little prick. So we know him now go do it. Right? We know say Goatee is not going to do it. You are staying 6 days in Jamaica. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Right? You're staying in Jamaica. And you told us that these people you haven't seen for a while. You know, think the best thing we do is stay in Mandeville, where if you work, because remember, you know, before that, Uno will say, your mother said, tell me call my husband and tell him say, if you make them are come down for come stay the baby because I want to use the bathroom. Your mother said she did that. So Goatee have to come to come keep a baby, right? So now that you do pick up yourself, mama. Now that you take your baby and yourself, go now one next parish. When you ready to go buy one little brassiere, because you remember you don't come with no clothes, you know. So we don't want to go buy one little brassiere and one little roll arm, so if you put on there you need your hammer or so. I go buy one toothbrush, I go get a toothpaste. Who is going to keep Spider-Man at St. Anne's? Because when him down Mandeville, it's like him, nobody could leave him alone. The mama have it there. The mama have it there. And your stepfather have it there, whatever. So that was the scene that we described in a Mandeville. So you know, take it upon yourself. Take out the baby with a fracture femur bone. What you call it? A sentence. Well, let me tell you something, people. Let me tell you something. A lot of you probably disagree with me right now. But I'm going to tell you something. I believe she moved the baby for 2 reasons. I believe she moved that little baby for one of 2 reasons. Reason number one, according to me, is either them bring Jayden body, go down that side of the country, and them have to take out the baby. So then we have focus on the baby with the broken femur rather than focus on them taking Jayden out down there. That's one of my options. The next option on my face can be the case as well. The baby father was in Jamaica. And he did not decided to leave from St. Anne's Bay to go to Manchester to go look for the baby. And they know that it would have been a chance for somebody pick up the father in a Manchester and say the father was in Jamaica. So what them do? Them bring the baby go meet the father rather than the father go meet the baby. It's one of them 2 options there. It's one of those 2 options because I don't see why a mother or a father would have dragged your baby 2-year-old out of a public hospital, put your baby in one car without car seat or booster chair, driving 3 hours to just go fling him back up in our next public hospital. It don't make no sense under the sun of the Holy Almighty Father God. It don't make any sense. It don't make any sense. And if me not make no sense, so nothing tell me say me not make no sense. Me say it don't make any sense. You see, if she had told me say alright, then we move the baby and we carry the baby to down at the children's hospital. You know what I would have to do? The whole would have to keep quiet. The whole of us would have to keep our mouth shut if she had bring the baby to children's. Because we'd have say, well, if I feel with baby, we're going to want with baby for our children's too. We're going to want with baby, you understand? Because, you know, children's hospital, they would have been, they would have dedicated to children in it. Or, if the germs box did bring the baby to a private hospital, We could I give her that because everybody gonna say, come on now, guys, come on. Private hospital, I go look at the baby 1-to-1 with a nurse and so. You understand? But no, you drag the baby out of the hospital with a broken / fractured femur bone. Every nurse that me speak to tell me said that I want dangerous broke. And again, this is the next question that I would like to raise with these people. Our crocodile mama say she reached a Algrave hospital about 8 or so. About 7, 8 them time that she reached Algrave. That is the first hospital the baby went to, right? That was a private hospital. And the mama, the crocodile cuss off the people there. Right? And how old were you when you get the fracture, Mar? How old were you, Mar? Because this baby that we're talking about, right, is a 2-year-old baby. In 2024, I am old. So basically, you're an adult, yeah? And you find that fracture like one of the worst things probably ever happened to you. So you tell me, say, a baby, remember, you know, a baby can't explain pain, you know, so a baby got just ball on your place, because they can't explain pain to you. So, a baby explain a pain, you know, they just ball, and you then, the parents have to try to figure out what I want. Because baby, when you're a baby, certain baby. But well, the baby they could have tell us, say, he might feel the pain, so because apparently the baby say, he want chicken and chips. Because I baby tell her, say, you want chicken and chips, right? Oh, Jesus. Me say, I believe, so the baby, I believe that the baby transfer from Mandeville Public Hospital, it was a smoke screen. I believe with every fiber in my body that baby moving from Mandeville Hospital was a smoke stream, either for dispose of Jayden or to discard the father that he was in Jamaica. Because even if that was the case, remember, Mr. T tell us say she and Tommy Marie morning. She and Tommy go by Spiritual Hill to go freshen up. I wonder if you not follow me. Mr. T tell we say she and Tommy go a Spiritual to go freshen up. Right? So my question is this. You could not freshen up at the Mandeville Hospital. No, you could not freshen up at the Mandeville Hospital. You take the key from Mr. T and head to Spiritual, right? So you're going to tell me now say you move to a next hospital where you eat there, sleep there, bathe there, tidy there, wash up there, and wipe up yourself there. That, remember, it's the next hospital that you know. And you did our hospital management where you couldn't be there, you couldn't even go on a shower there in the morning. You go spur treat, you go tired, go freshen up. And you go expect to tell we now say you go to the next hospital at St. Anne's Bay, go eat the sleep, the drink, the beer, the tidy, the wash up there. You want wicked. And let me tell you something. You see the crocodile? You see the crocodile?